Android 16 is bringing its biggest design overhaul yet, Material 3. Expressive is here, Wear OS 6 is smarter and your phone's about to get way more personal. I'm your tech guy and today we're breaking down everything new in this update. Let's dive in. First up, Material 3 Expressive. Google's design language just leveled up with smoother animations, bolder colors and deeper personalization. Now, your wallpaper doesn't just change your theme. It dynamically reshapes app icons, system fonts, and even notifications for a seamless look. Check this out. Dismiss a notification and nearby one's tone subtly bounce couple like a spring. Snap it away, you get a satisfying haptic rumble. Even the quick settings blur the background for depth, making every swipe feel buttery. And here's the kicker. Live updates now track real-time progress, like Uber Eats deliveries right in your notification shade. No more digging through apps. Next, Wear OS 6 is a massive leap for smartwatches. Adaptive tiles auto-update based on your routine, like showing your workout tile at gym time. Battery life? 10% longer thanks to deep sleep mode. Plus, your watch face theme now applies system-wide. And buttons hug the display for easier taps. Fitness fans rejoice. Auto-rep counting for weightlifting is finally here. Android 16 is packed with AI. The new AI wallpaper engine lets you type anything like Cyberpunk City at night and boom, unique HD wallpaper in seconds. Sidzai is now context-aware. Ask remind me about this while browsing and it'll save the link and summarize it. So when's this dropping? It is expected to launch later this month following the main event on May 20th and 21st. A developer beta version is currently available, but it is not recommended due to the presence of unresolved bugs. Android 16 might be Google's most polished update yet. Material 3 is chef's kiss. Wear OS is finally living up to its potential, and the AI tricks, next level. What's your favorite feature? Let me know below. Smash like if you're hyped and subscribe for more tech drops. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.